Let's take a look at this problem. We got the square root of x to the third over square root of x minus square root of y. Well, first off, I can simplify that square root up on top. X to the third, that's 3x's. Then we've got square root of x minus square root of y. Now, since we're dealing with square roots, we're looking for pairs of something. Well, here's a pair of x's. Those pair of x's are going to come out in front as a single x. So we got x, square root of x up on top. And down below, we got square root of x minus square root of y. Okay, well, the issue here is we can't have a radical in denominator. So we got x squared of x over square root of x minus square root of y. How we get rid of that, since we have two items down below, is we multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the bottom. So this will be square root of x and square root of y. What is a conjugate? The first parts are the same. This is square root of x, this is square root of x. And your last parts are the same. This is square root of y, and this is square root of y. But the sign in the middle changes. This is a minus, so this is a plus. Now, whatever we multiply by the bottom, we have to multiply by the top. Okay, so up on top, we're going to have x square root of x times square root of x plus square root of y. Now, the nice part about conjugates is all you have to do is multiply your first parts together, so square root of x times square root of x, minus, and then your last parts together, square root of y times square root of y. Well, when we use the distributive property up above, we're going to take x squared of x times square root of x and times square root of y. So we got x squared of x times square root of x plus x squared of x times square root of y. Now down below, square root of x times square root of x gives you x, minus square root of y times square root of y gives you y. Whenever the square roots are exactly alike, like these, then they just cancel away and leave you that. Okay, well, here we got x. Now notice, this square root of x matches that square root of x. So square root of x times square root of x gives us an x. Now this first x just carries straight down. Now over here we got x, and square root of x times square root of y gives us square root of xy over x minus y. Well, x times x is x squared plus x square root of xy over x minus y. And that's our answer.